Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off the Notes feature on Instagram posts and Reels. Before we start, ensure you have the latest version of the Instagram app installed. You can update it through the App Store or Google Play Store. Here's how you can turn off the Notes feature on your Instagram posts and Reels. Open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Go to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. In the menu, scroll down and select Settings. Tap on Privacy and then look for the Interactions section. Under Interactions, tap on Notes. Find the option that says Allow Notes on Posts and Reels and toggle the switch off. And that's it. If you found this guide helpful, leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's something specific you'd like to learn. And remember to subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.